welcome to or back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kaitlyn, and today I am probably filming the most exciting video that I've ever done on my channel. As you all saw in the intro, me and 7 other wonderful content creators here on YouTube have decided to team up to bring you guys the biggest Lush collab ever on YouTube. If you aren't already subscribed to their channels, you should definitely go do that. I will leave all of their videos linked in the description down below. They are all really lovely and they make amazing videos, so you should definitely check them out. So basically the way that this is gonna work is we all set a budget for roughly 50 English pounds to spend on the Lush 2020 Christmas range. Now that translates to about $85 Canadian, so that's exactly what I spent on this haul. I've got tons of products to show you guys, and I even picked up a little gift box to unbox on this channel right at the end of this video, so make sure you stick around to find out what's inside. I'm really excited to do that. And yeah, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Okay, so I'm actually going to start off by showing you guys all the bath bombs that I bought, because looking at all this stuff in front of me, I kind of went a little bit bath bomb crazy. But anyways, the first one that I picked up, I knew that I had to pick it up as soon as I saw it. And it is the Golightly Wonderball. So as you can see, this thing is huge, like it's massive. And on the website, it actually says you can get 3 different baths out of this one, because the way it works is you can use this, and then there's like dust inside that you can use for another bath, and then you can use the actual bath bomb shell for another bath. So this was $9.95, which is pricey for a regular bath bomb, but considering you can get 3 baths out of this, I really think that this one's worth its money. So I knew I wanted it for that reason, and also I read on the website that it smells like Avo Bath, which I'm not sure if I've ever said it before on this channel, but Avo Bath is probably one of my all-time favorite Lush bath bombs, so I was really excited. Yeah, it smells exactly like Avo Bath. The scent is really fresh, really lemony, it smells like lemongrass, it's super nice, and it's also not a mess to clean up, which is great. And it was named after one of my favorite characters, Golightly from Breakfast at Tiffany's, so this was just screaming my name and I knew I had to pick it up, and I'm really excited to try this one. Okay, so next up, I grabbed this little guy here because he was just so adorable. This bath bomb is called Tik Tok, and it's super nice, super bright and glittery, so much fun. At first I thought that this was a nutcracker. It's supposed to be like a little robot, which I don't really get. I think a nutcracker makes more sense for Christmas, but it is really, really cute. And it smells really nice. It's a very bright, citrusy scent. It smells like oranges to me. I mean, that makes sense given the color, but it also has like a little bit of a spice in there. I think it might be cinnamon or something like that. But yeah, this is just a small one. It's gonna be a really cute one in the bath. I can already tell just based on all the glitter and stuff that I have on my hands, and I'm really excited to use this one. The next bath bomb that I picked up is this one right here, and I knew I had to have this one because it's just so colorful. This one's called the Luxury Lush Pud, and it's got all of these really pretty colors in it, and it has like a little like holly at the top, and it's just so cute, and the smell is absolutely delicious. It smells like black currant. It's very, very, very similar to the comforter smell. If you have had anything in that scent family, it smells exactly like that, and it's just delicious. I'm really, really excited to see, because this is gonna make some really pretty bath art, I can already tell. Okay, and the final bath bomb that I picked up from this haul, I absolutely could not resist this one because it was just so cute, and it is the Butterbear bath bomb. So as you guys can see, it's this little like teddy bear shaped bath bomb. It's adorable, and this is actually an all year round product. Normally it's just like a regular round bath bomb. It's called Butterball, but for Christmas time they make it shaped like a cute little teddy bear, and it's just absolutely adorable. I have used the regular product like this before, so I know that this one's gonna be super moisturizing and stuff like that, because it's packed full of like cocoa butter and stuff like that, so it's a very nice moisturizing bath bomb. The smell is really light, it's very, very gentle. It smells just like vanilla, it's super subtle. This would be a great present to get for somebody if you're not really sure what kind of scents that they enjoy, because this is so subtle that it would work perfectly for anyone. So definitely recommend this one for Christmas. I think it's fantastic, and I can't wait to use it. Okay, so moving on from bath bombs, the next item that I got is a shower bomb. This is called the Sugar Plum Shower Bomb, and it's really cute. It's purple. The reason that I bought this is actually because based on the description, it sounded like it could be possibly in the same scent family as Plum Rain, which is a shower gel that I love that they just discontinued. So I really wanted to try this one out to see what it was like. So let's see. Okay, yeah, it's very similar to Plum Rain. It's very citrusy, but also a little bit sweet, and it smells just like fresh plums. It's super nice. And I'm excited to try this out. Never tried a shower bomb before, so I'm really curious to see how to use this. Okay, so next I picked up a soap from the range, and this is called the Shooting Stars soap. It's so cute. I love it, you guys. Wow, okay, what does this smell like? There was a bath melt that smelled exactly the same as this, and I'm blanking on the name. It was a little pink star. I'll try to insert a picture here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. It's got the exact same smell. It's super like lemony and fresh. I think there's a bit of lime in there too. It's really nice. This one's a fun one to buy online because it actually comes in 2 different colors, and you can't choose if you're buying it online, but they will just send you a random one, so you're kind of surprised with what you get. I got the orange one, but there's also a pink one, and there's like glitter in it, and I can tell that this is going to be really moisturizing just while I'm holding it because it's starting to melt in my hands, and I can feel how moisturizing it is, so I think I'm really going to enjoy this one. Okay, and now we're on to the final product that I bought from the range before we get into unwrapping the little gift box, and it is a facial cleanser. It is the Bûche de Noël facial cleanser. This one is a classic for Christmas. It comes out every year and everyone raves about this product. Like, it is a very well-loved Christmas product, but I've actually never tried it before. So I'm gonna open this up and see what it smells like. Okay, it actually doesn't have like a really overwhelming smell to it, which is interesting. I was expecting otherwise, but I'm not complaining. I actually don't mind this. It smells like almonds to me. Like, it kind of has like a nutty scent. I think it's almonds. Yeah, it's almonds. And it's also supposed to have like dried cranberries in there, which I think is so cute and festive. So I'm really excited to get to use this one. Okay, but now we're on to the gift box. I'm actually kind of sad that I have to unwrap this now because it's just been sitting under my Christmas tree looking really cute. Yes, I already have my Christmas tree up. I'm one of those people that just like November 1st, it's up, it's in my bedroom, it's there. But I'm sad, but like I'm excited to see what's in this because I looked when I was ordering because obviously I wanted to make sure I didn't get the same thing twice, but I don't remember what's in here, so I'm really excited to open this up. I think that these make such cute little Christmas gift ideas. Like, everything's already done for you, and it's a fantastic idea in my opinion. This particular box I think is called Best Wishes. That's what it says on here at least. So let's see what's in this one. I'm one of those people who doesn't like to ruin the wrapping, but you know what? I think I might just have to. All right, let's open this up and see. Smells really good. Okay, so the very first thing I'm seeing in here is actually a product that I've had before and I love it. It's probably my favorite Christmas bath bomb of all time, and no surprise, it is the Golden Wonder Bath Bomb. It's really cute. It's shaped like a little present and the smell is so nice. It's a really subtle one again, but like it's a very, very nice scent. It smells like oranges and like champagne and stuff like that. This one makes really nice bath art because inside the little present, it's got like a bunch of different colors and stuff in it, and it turns the water this really nice blue color, and there's like little tiny stars all in your bath that are really moisturizing because I think they're made out of like cocoa butter or something like that. So it's just a fantastic bath bomb. I love this one for Christmas, and this is my second one that I've picked up this year already, so that's a testament to how much I love it. Okay, so the next thing I'm seeing in here is another bath bomb. I recognize this one, but I've never tried it before. It is called the Jingle Bells Bath Bomb. It's so cute with the little bow, and when you shake it, it makes a noise, which I just think is such a nice touch. Like, Lush has really nailed their Christmas range in my opinion because they just have such cute little things like this. This one smells really nice, but I can't figure out what that scent is. It's definitely more on the citrusy side for sure. I think it's like, I want to say oranges, but it doesn't smell like some of the other bath bombs in this that have smelled like oranges. It's a lot like more subtle of a smell than like the Tik Tok bath bomb. This one is really, really nice. And I think this one is another one that, like, because of the stuff inside, is going to make really pretty bath art. So I'm super excited. It's so cute. Okay, and then the final thing in this box I'm really excited for because I did actually pick this up last year too. Okay, it is the Polar Bear Plunge Bubble Bar. Let me just see. Okay, there you go. So it's shaped like a little polar bear. He's got glitter on him. He's absolutely adorable. He smells like spearmint, but it's not like a really strong, overpowering spearmint because I normally don't like that kind of stuff. This one's really nice and subtle. I've been saying subtle a lot, but I feel like this is a really good gift box if you don't know what to get somebody. Like if you don't know what kind of scents and stuff that they like, but you know that they like to take baths and stuff like that. This is a really good box for that because the scents are perfect. But yeah, this one's super nice, super cute, and I definitely recommend picking it up for Christmas. It's a must-have. But you guys, that is everything that I picked up for this haul. Altogether, it cost me about $81 Canadian, and I had so much fun doing this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it too. If you're new here, I would really love for you to stick around. I do tons of Lush videos, but I also do a ton of fashion videos and stuff like that. And if you like anything pink or girly, then this is definitely the place for you, and you should definitely hit that subscribe button. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what you're most excited to try from the Lush Christmas range this year. And while you're there, make sure to check out all of those videos that I linked down below from the girls that I did the collab with. I know you're gonna love all their videos. But anyways, I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!